shuffle, shuffle, bang. Heel, 2, 3, and shuffle, shuffle, bang. Well done. Next one, guys, is you know where your toes are. They're at the front of your foot.
Okay, what is that yours? Okay, because
have a bag belong to you.
Kay, here's one of our producers. She was minding it, being very careful. That's yours.
Kieran
it's here on stage. Okay.
Kieran wants to know, can he spend all the money that's in it?
I tell you, I live feeling the weight of it anyway to be able to spend it. Okay, we'll leave it there.
Next step, your toes, 3 toes. Tip, 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 and shuffle, shuffle down. Tip, 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 just your toe. Down and tip, tip, tip. Shuffle, I'm watching you. Tip, tip, tip. Get in behind the lines, come on. Next one, toes. Toe, 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 and shuffle, shuffle, stop. Toe, 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 shuffle, shuffle, stop. Toe back, toe, 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 shuffle, shuffle, stop. Toe, 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 and shuffle, shuffle, stop. And if you want to look like real dancers, when you're doing the toes, watch the head and watch the hands. Look.
That's too much.
You know, show off the butt, you know. What we call in West Clare, shapers. Okay, so your last step, folks. Put the 3 you've just learned together, and what do you get? You get heel, you get tip, and you get toe. Shuffle, shuffle, stop. And then heel with the other leg. Heel, tip, and toe, and shuffle, shuffle, and stop. And heel, tip, toe, shuffle, shuffle, stop. Heel, tip, toe, and shuffle, shuffle, stop. Here we go, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle right. Shuffle, shuffle left. Shuffle, shuffle right. Shuffle, shuffle left. Shuffle, shuffle right. Shuffle, shuffle left. Shuffle, shuffle right. Heel, heel, 2, 3. Shuffle, shuffle 1. Heel, 2, 3. Shuffle, shuffle 2. Heel, 2, 3. Shuffle, shuffle 3. Heel, 2, 3. Top of your toe. Tip, tip, tip. Hands. a rest for that.